If your export option is missing in CapCut, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a few fast fixes that can bring the export button back and help you get your project exported again. This happens more often than you might think, especially after updates, layout changes, or display glitches. And the good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut fixes and editing tips. Let's jump right in. The first thing to try is forcing the export menu with a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and E at the same time. On Mac, press Command and E. This is a really useful shortcut because it bypasses the visible interface and opens the official export settings window directly. So even if the export button is missing from the screen, CapCut may still let you export through this shortcut. Once you press it, check whether the export settings window appears. If it does, you're already one step closer to solving the problem. If that doesn't work, the next fix is to reset the interface layout. Look at the top right of CapCut, right next to the shortcut icon. You should see a layout icon there. If you can't find it, you can also go to the menu in the top left corner and look for layout from there. Click it, then choose Reset Current Layout. This is important because sometimes CapCut's layout gets shifted or broken, and resetting it can force the blue export button back into its normal position. After that, check the interface again and see if the export option has returned. Now let's move on to another common fix, which is changing a performance setting that can cause rendering glitches. Go to the top left corner and click Menu, then open Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Performance tab. Here, look for the option that says Render Interface with GPU. If that box is checked, I checked, uncheck it, then click Save. After that, close CapCut completely and restart your computer. This step matters because some interface problems are caused by GPU rendering conflicts, and turning this option off can often restore missing buttons or visual elements after a restart. If you still need to export only a specific section of your project, there's another shortcut you can use. Highlight the clip on your timeline, then press Shift and X. This is the alternative clip-specific export option. After using it, proceed with the export function normally. This can be especially helpful if you're trying to export part of a project and the main export button is not behaving the way it should. So to quickly recap, if export is missing in CapCut, first try Ctrl or Command plus E, then reset the current layout, and if needed, disable GPU interface rendering in the performance settings. If you only need a specific section, use Shift and X on the selected clip. One of these fixes usually solves the issue. If this video helped you get your export option back in CapCut, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.